ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ ದಶಕಂ 52 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 8 ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕಮೇವ ಕಮಲಾ ಪರಿಲಾಲಿತಾಂಗಾನ್ ಭೋಗೀಂದ್ರ ಭೋಗಶಯನಾನ್ ನಯನಾಭಿರಾಮಾನ್ ಲೀಲಾನಿಮೀಲಿತ ದೃಶಃ ಸನಕಾದಿಯೋಗೀ ವ್ಯಾಸೇವಿತಾನ್ ಕಮಲಭೂಃ ಭವತೋ ದದರ್ಶ. Word by word meaning. Pratyekam eva, each one of them. Kamala parilalitangan. Kamala Lakshmi. Parilalita caressed. Anga limb. With limbs caressed by goddess Lakshmi. Bhogindra Bhoga Shayanan. Bhogindra Adishesha. Bhoga hood. Shayana reclining on. Reclining on Adisesha. Nayanabhiraman. Delightful to the eyes. Leelani Meelita Drishaha. With eyes closed in sport, in Yoga Nidra. Sanakadi Yogi Vyasevitan. Attended on with respect by Sanaka and other sages. Bhavataha, as the Kamalabhuhu, Brahma, Dadarsha, saw. Brahma saw each one of them as thou thyself, whose limbs were caressed by goddess Lakshmi, who wert reclining on Adisesha, whose form was delightful to the eyes, whose eyes were closed in Yoga Nidra, and who wert respectfully attended by Sanaka and other sages. Om Tat Sat.